Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to use Uphold's trading bots. Now, what are the trading bots? Trading bots are automated programs that use predefined rules to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on your behalf. It's a pretty sweet feature to have. Now, here are a couple of Uphold's trading bot features. Now, the first, of course, is that it has pre-built strategies. So, Uphold offers pre-built trading strategies, including trend following and mean revision strategies. The second, of course, is customizable parameters. So, you can adjust parameters such as risk tolerance and investment amounts to suit your specific trading goal. The third, of course, is back testing. So you can test your trading strategies on historical data to evaluate its performance. The fourth is real-time monitoring. So you can monitor your bot's performance in real time. So these are awesome features for Uphold trading bots. Now, for how to set up that trading bot on the Uphold. So what you got to do is to first log into your Uphold account, and you can do that on the mobile app or on the official website. And then you need to navigate to trading bots on the dashboard, and then what you want to do is to choose a pre-built trading strategy, or you could create your own custom strategy, and then you just adjust the parameters such as risk tolerance and investment amounts, and then you can back test the strategy. So you need to test the strategy on historical data to evaluate the performance and see how well that's going to perform. And then once you're done, you need to launch the bot and let it start trading on your behalf. That's pretty simple and straightforward. Now, when it comes to managing your trading bots, there are a couple of things you guys need to know. The first is you got to monitor your bot's performance in real time to see how well it's performing, and of course you can also adjust bot parameters as needed to optimize performance, on the go. And you can also pause or stop the bot if you need to make changes or see or if market conditions change. So you can always take full control in your bot handling. You can always manage that in a really nice way. You don't just gotta leave it all for the bots and take unnecessary risk. You could work together with the trading bot to bring out the best effect. Now, that's pretty much it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, if you found it useful, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have, we thank you so very much, because that helps us out a lot. Please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.